Welcome! Today we're diving into the Claude Chrome Extension, a game changer for AI-driven browsing. Let's get it installed. First, head to the Chrome web store, search for Claude in Chrome, and click Add to Chrome. It's that simple. Next, pin the extension for easy access and sign in. Remember, this currently requires a paid Claude plan. Tip 1. Agentic Browsing. Claude can autonomously navigate websites to find specific information for you in real time. Tip 2. Workflow recording. Teach Claude a sequence once and it can repeat or schedule it daily or weekly. Tip 3. Data extraction. Instantly pull structured info from pages directly into Google Sheets or reports. Tip 4. Live debugging. Claude can read console errors and help developers fix code directly in the browser. Tip 5. Authenticated apps. Claude shares your login state so it works seamlessly inside Gmail, Notion, and more. Tip 6. Multi-tab workflows. Claude can handle tasks that span across several tabs and websites simultaneously. Tip 7. File management. Use Claude to organize your Google Drive, sort files, and even flag duplicates. Tip 8. Meeting prep. Claude reads your calendar and drafts summaries to get you ready for your next call. Tip 9. Content summarization. Quickly digest long articles or complex web pages with one click. Tip 10. CRM Updates. Automate logging sales calls and updating customer data in tools like Salesforce. Remember, this is in beta. Always review permissions and start with trusted sites to keep your data secure. The Claude Chrome extension is your new AI sidekick. Install it today and transform how you work on the web.